my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. Hey everyone, we've got a 1930 Ford custom pickup for you here, and it is meticulous. This thing is sweet in and out, top to bottom, only 850 miles on it since it's been finished. Go to volocars.com, you'll see over 100 photos of it, price, and full description of this car and a few hundred other collector cars, all for sale at volocars.com. But first, join me, let's go for a spin. I'm going to be real proud to show this one. Nothing to apologize for. It is sweet. I bought this from a gentleman. He just spent the last 4 years building this truck. He had to sell it for some other reasons, but he was holding back the tears when I bought the truck from him. I felt bad for him. But he put his blood, sweat, and tears and did an incredible job building this thing. Underneath is like brand new. It has polished stainless steel front and back suspension. All the tubular control arms, coil-over shocks, front sway bar, it's all stainless steel. It's a box frame that's all been powder-coated. It's a powder-coated Ford 9-inch rear end with new 3.0 posi gears. It's a Tremec 5-speed. You could eat off the oil pan underneath the motor. It is spotless front to back. The suspension, the exhaust is bent real neatly, done real nice. All the wiring and tubing and just everything is meticulously done. The bottom of the car is spotless. Now, the body is fiberglass. It's extended 8.5 inches. It's very comfortable. It's got a steel hood, steel box, steel rear fenders. The body and the front fenders are fiberglass. This is steel. It's got a 32 grill shell. I think he called this color sea glass pearl. It's like a bluish, grayish, silver color with the red interior. Wait till I open the door. It pops. Powder-coated wheels with the old Ford trim on them. Fatter, taller in the back. Has a perfect stance. Nice headlights and grill bar, has turn signals front and back. The wiper arms are not on there for a nice clean look, but it does have working wipers. Look at that red just pop, and it's immaculate. There's no stains on the carpet or any wear or fading. It is fresh. It pops. It's got the old style Ford taillights, but has LED bulbs in there. The bed is all finished. The wood is finished. It's got stainless steel strips. The gas has been relocated into the floor of the truck. This is where you fill it. Look at that. That is glove soft leather on the seat. All custom made door panels. The whole headliner is red. Has an overhead console with the power window switches and stereo and a dome light. There's no wires in the door jambs. It's got the button contacts. It's a Ford motor. There's no Chevy motor in this Ford. It's a 302, completely rebuilt, aluminum Edelbrock E Street heads. Has aluminum intake with a polished Edelbrock carburetor. Everything on this motor is new. The sending units, the fuel pump, aluminum water pump. It's got the electronic ignition system. And it's got aluminum pulleys, aluminum radiator with an electric fan, and everything is just new and immaculate. It has heat. It's got a new alternator. The firewall's painted nice, and you have the option of leaving the hood off. It does have a nice big old like 55 Cadillac air cleaner that's been custom painted. I put the hood on. I like the hood on the car or truck. Smoked glass. Nice set of gauges, comfortable. I'm 6 foot. I fit in there real nice. Got a tilt wheel. The pedals and positioning of everything was really good. So why don't we start it up? Even my son, who manages the shop, once he's seen this in person, he's like, wow, is that thing nice? It's got sewn edges on the carpet, nice billet pedals. The seat's real comfortable. Beautiful polished wood rim wheel on the banjo spokes. Got power windows. The door has to be closed to make the contact. Really nice vintage air heat controls. The buttons are backlit. Slightly cold-blooded, needs to warm up a minute. It's idling on its own. Usually I walk around and close it all up. I'm going to leave them doors open. That red interior just makes it. And against this color, fantastic job to the man who built this. He did an incredible job here. Colors, the stance, the condition of the truck is, is awesome. Visit volocars.com. Plenty of ways on there to contact us. We can answer questions about the car, financing, shipping. We'll walk you through the whole process. Also, subscribe to our YouTube channel. That's the best way to see these exciting videos of these exciting cars as we make them. I appreciate everyone who's been watching. Keep coming back for more.